Hello, today's the 1st of March. The weather is beautiful. This property is not bad condition, just needs a little bit of love and care. I'll let Joanna tell you the rest. Thank you for watching.
Hello, good day. I am in village Lomtsi, and today I like to present to you a little white cottage at the end of the village with wonderful views because the property is sitting at the end of the village. You can see a little bit of the surround, include over there have a nice lake. I will go on to the street in a minute and I will show you more about outside. Now come to take a look. The house is empty from many years. No one are maintaining for these years, but is still in good condition. Of course you have some bits and bobs to do, but it's normal when you buy your property. The garden, it's about 1000 square meter. For more exactly details regarding the square meter, you can look in our descriptions. And here you have on the left of me lots of barns, and this is that little white cottage with a cute little gate where you can come into the property. You can park your vehicle inside. The house have a water and electric. Is stopped at the moment for safety reason, but of course you can switch it back on and use it when you're ready. The garden is so flat with lots of trees and fruit trees, and a big walnut tree sitting over here. Just to tell to people who they don't know, the walnut trees, they are protected in Bulgaria, and you cannot go and cut them without any permission from the mayor. Yeah, we can start and take a more pictures and view from inside. The house have a few steps, and you can go up and down on the different levels. And here outside have a nice big outside tap, which is really important when you do some work. And include here have mushrooms for people who now something for the mushrooms. You have to be careful what you collect and what you eat, because some of them are of course poisonous. Here that little space here on the side been left to create like a barbecue area, but the owner do not reach to that position in her renovations when she start to do it. Yeah, you can see it's a interest a little cottage. I'm gonna show you first upstairs. You can see the work was started for the property. It's a lovely sunny day today, even in a winter season. December is nearly here. Here we reach to a large corridor. Stairs have a part of the floor is concrete, and I think on the top even have a chipboard. You can see it. Nice large corridor. There on the end have a window which they just close it, but with a option to open. Upstairs here you have a nice sizes 2 rooms. The roof need maintaining because no one look after from a while. You have some little spots on the roof were been leaking in the past. The windows are very dirty, so cannot show you the garden, but it's nice feeling. Can come a really beautiful home for someone who like to start a renovation job in Bulgaria. New cables was put in everywhere through the property, and here is like a storage room at the moment with lots of baggages, but of course this will be removed later. It's a nice two size rooms. You can see it. Here the floor is chipboard, and you have a same chipboard on the ceilings, but the corridor is very big. You can create nice kitchen space there, or you can split the corridor in two and you can create a bathroom for yourself. And even from here you still can see part of the view, if I manage to show you there between the trees. After you will see more when I'm going on a street to take a look. Now we're going on the bottom side. Now we're going to see downstairs. Downstairs is create like a little annex where you can be even live here non-stop without you go upstairs. We come in to a corridor, and then you have a like a bedroom, reasonable size room with a chimney access. Then we come into a little kitchen. You can see it. It's not big, but it's lots of space. There. Then you have a old bathroom and a toilet, which need some work, but it's good. The waste pipe is still there and the water access. And from there we going into a huge room where the floor is all concrete. The nice stones been filled with cement, and you have a nice beams up. You can see it with a plasterboard and plaster between. It's a really big space here where you can create a nice living room. And at the end of this room you have another room which can come into another bedroom. Again, the floor is concrete. You have a plasterboard on the walls, and here up been kept all originals beams of the house, and you have a little window which is shut from the side of the street at the moment to don't come a sun. You have a cable there, and the pipe work is here too, and the water meter for the property. And from here you're going back into that really nice big room downstairs. Is the renovation will start, but it's not finished. But same moment you can stay and heating the work if this is the property for you. The corridor, the floors are tiles, and all the doors and windows are same original wooden one. It's a beautiful sunny day outside. There is the barns. I'm going to show you outside the beautiful view, because the house sitting at the edge of the village. You can see it. nice relaxed place. You can see all the fields around, and here you have a lake where you can go and do a nice walk. It's nice and quiet. All the valley is here, just next to the house. It's beautiful. You can see alone, and over here on that side is the lake. If it's possible to, I can see it, can show you, but it's a little bit further for me to can grab it on a camera, but it's a really a nice place. Here is another field where you can just come and take a walk with a dog or a horse. It's beautiful, and the neighbors are very nice. The village Lomtsi is not full with expats. Do not have any problem with the water. Yeah, the lake is there. You cannot see it there in a picture and a video. It's beautiful fields around. And that was from me for today, from village Lomtsi. If you have an interest and you like to visit this house, which is sitting at the end of the village, contact us. We're happy to book appointment and show you around what we have for sale on this village Lomtsi. Have a good day from us. Wait for a second, I forgot to show you the house from outside. I will show you. You see, there is a little white cottage. It's a nice place to be. Have a 3 chimneys, have a loft space where you can store it extra rubbish or a junk where you don't want the people to see. You need to maintain the roof, new cables, new electricity box, and everything is here, so you can start your renovation job in Bulgaria. If you want to come and take a look, contact us and we can show you. No worries. Have a good day.